It's BC Day long weekend and we are heading to the capital of British Columbia, Victoria, on the V2V Catamaran. Pretty excited to be doing this trip, and it's going to take about 3.5 hours.
It's a beautiful sunny day and we're hoping to get some nice photos along the way, maybe catch some whales if we're lucky.
Before we board the V2V, we're going to head up to the Marine building, which is one of the oldest buildings in Vancouver, and just walk around the city for a little bit.
Get some nice shots.
We're standing in front of the Marine building, one of the most beautiful historic buildings in Vancouver. And at one point it was the tallest building in the British Empire. The entrance has the revolving doors and tiles all the way up into the roof. When completed in 1930, it stood at the water's edge, which is now 2 blocks away to the north. Just coming to check in for the V2V.
Yes.
Beautiful catamaran going to Victoria.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice cruise.
Thank you very much. Hello. Hi, thank you.
Really long. You want to adjust it? Make sure it's nice and snug.
Yeah.
And then this one just connects it.
Coming up under the Lionsgate Bridge, looking towards West Vancouver.
Beautiful weather, and there are whales everywhere. But we're often singing coffees and steering the boat and things like that, and often the people that find them, passengers.
To Victoria's inner harbour with the Empress Hotel to the left and the Parliament building. Happy BC Day. Welcome to the capital, Victoria. Thanks a lot. Now we're walking through Fantan Alley in Chinatown, which, as you can see, is just shoulder width apart, narrow. But up here are some really cool stores. The best store in Fantan Alley. So Venus Sophia is one of the nicest little tea rooms in Victoria. We're going to go and have some afternoon tea. Thank you very much.
You're very
It's
welcome.
been wonderful.
Thanks for sailing with us.
V2V is the way to go.
It really is.
Wealthy Ginsberg, a sand valley